Hello everybody, welcome back to my another fashion and beauty YouTube video. So today is the day, guys. The wait is almost over for me to go back to do the dance tutorial videos, and I am posting the video as of later today at 4 p.m. sharp. Alright, so get ready with me for my first reunion of my dance tutorial videos after for the past 1 year of not posting it due to that I have so much things to do. Alright, so I do apologize for that inconvenience. I hope you understand, and I will do more towards the summer. Alright, so get ready with me once again for another dance tutorial video, and let's get ready with my new makeup look, shall we? So as of 1 year, I do not know why would I took a break for the past 1 year of not posting my dance tutorial videos. The last one was back in January of 2023. That was the song called that was Back to You by Selena Gomez. That was on January, I don't know, 24th, 25th. I forgot the date that I did the dance tutorial videos, but I think I posted on January 26th, but I will double check on my YouTube channel because I know that's the last time I've been posting my dance tutorial videos. And the last one, before I go on like 1 year of hiatus, I made another dance tutorial video, and I danced to the song called Back to You by Selena Gomez. And I'm planning to do more of the dance tutorial videos and not like taking a year off, because the more I wait, then the longer it takes and more patience I will have. Like, I don't know, maybe I just want to like do more of my dance tutorial videos, and that's what I wanted to do. Not only that, it's the reason why I did not post any new dance tutorial videos back in 2023. Again, last time was January of 2023. That was last year. Now it's been over a year. I didn't like it, but I just want to go back to it. Like, I miss posting these videos, but nobody had commented on one of my videos, what song should I dance to for my next dance choreography tutorial videos. And you know what? I've been posting these videos way back in September of 2021. Those who are new here, go subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the new content I've been posting. My makeup videos, my dancing videos. I'm doing more. Alright, let's keep our promises. Alright, I will be doing more of my dance tutorial videos. Alright, and also you're wondering why I haven't posted for a while. Maybe another reason is because I have so much things to do. I have high school going on, but I had to finish my last year, final year in high school, and I had to get ready for my first year in college, and that's way too much for me, but I didn't want to wait that longer. Well, I didn't want to take like a permanent break from doing these videos like that. I didn't want to wait that longer, but that's okay. Well, at least I am going back to do the dance tutorial videos as of today, so like I said, I will be doing more. Alright? Don't be shy to ask me questions or concerns that you may have. You can always reach out to me at any time. I'm always here to help you, alright? I also forgot to mention that I had made my fashion and beauty channel way back in May 16th of 2021. Now it's been like for the past 3 years I made this YouTube channel, and of course I've been a YouTuber. I was a YouTuber for a long time, but I also had to say I started posting videos way back in 2020, but then all of a sudden someone just went into my channel, and my last channel where I post videos back in 2020 and then 2021, apparently it's 2020-2021 school year that I remembered. Then my channel where I post videos, again, I joined YouTube back in 2017, but I didn't start posting videos until 2020. That's my old channel back in 2020 and 2021 school year where I post videos. And I was supposed to be at over 100 subscribers, but unfortunately, someone just went into my account and just hacked my YouTube channel. And I was really upset about this. Like, I got severely sensitive because someone just went into my YouTube channel and just hack it and delete all my videos that I've been posting and lose all my subscribers. So I was not too happy about that. I don't know who really did hack my account. Well, it was an unknown user that I don't recognize. And one of the unknown users who just hacked my channel way back in the summer of 2021, I don't know how, well, almost trying to go into my personal info and just hacked my old channel where I post videos. Again, I did not post videos until 2020, where I post videos and have a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, except I didn't get 1,000, but that's okay. And then in 2021, I kept posting videos until I get 100. And all of a sudden, one of the unknown users went into my account and just hacked my channel. And I was very severely sensitive about that. I do not know why. I had to prevent someone from hacking my YouTube channel. And then I had to recreate my main channel again back in 2022 because it's all because someone just went into my account and just hacked it. We all know that it's not good to hack someone's YouTube channel or any other of their Google accounts, right? Right? So I was thinking today I want to do a green, yellow, and orange eye makeup look. Well, tomorrow's 4th of July, so I might have to do blue and red and white. So, by the way, this is a Neon Brights eyeshadow palette. Okay. I had this for a long time. For 3.5 years. That was back in November of 2020. Also, like I mentioned, that I should be doing more of my summer makeup tutorial videos. And more of my videos. Alright, so I'm going to go with this lime green color. And grab my mirror. Alright. So today I'll be doing a tropical summer makeup look. Again, I'm going to be doing 3 colors, green, yellow, and orange. So I'm going to do green first. Alright, I'm going to take this brush and just put eyeshadow on a lower lash line. Alright, I think I fixed the eyeshadow on the lower lash line because I want to look good with this to match the upper lids of my eyeshadow. Alright, so it is getting closer to 1 o'clock and I want to post a dance tutorial video by 4 o'clock. So I will go with this Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise eyeshadow palette from Love Revolution. And I'll be going with yellow and orange. I might do a cut crease look. I'm going to use the concealer to cut a crease on my lid. And I'll come back. Okay guys, so I already did the cut crease look. So, you want to see it? Looks cool. Yes. Alright, so I use this brush to like pat the colors of the eyeshadow. So I use yellow on that side, and I use the orange on here, right next to the yellow color. And yes, I use the concealer to cut a crease on my eyeshadow lid. Alright, so that's done. So if you're wondering, on Friday I went to the Jersey Shore with my friends, and it was awesome, and we had a great time hanging out together at the Jersey Shore. It was a lot of fun. One of my friends has made a vlog on the day that we went out to the Jersey Shore, and on the day that my song called Summer Anthem was released. Alright, if you haven't checked out my new song, please go stream my new song called Summer Anthem right now. It's on all the music platforms, and a few days ago I have announced that my debut extended play is going to come out sometime very soon this year. So stay tuned for that, and more of my new music for my upcoming debut extended play will be out very soon. I will let you know either between, it's going to come out towards the end of the summer or the beginning of the fall season, but we'll see how long the summer is going by for this year. Not only that, but I just want to drop my debut studio album. I was going to, but unfortunately I won't be able to this year due to that I have a lot of things to do. And not only that, I have college going on, but I finished my first year in college. But now I wait till the end of August to start the fall semester, my second year in college. Well, I was planning to move to another state after I do 2 years right here at the College of Staten Island. This is where I live. But I am leaving New York for the next 2 years, if you're wondering, because for me, New York is boring in my opinion, because I sit there and do nothing. They don't have a lot of good places to visit, like things to do, except I hang out with my friends, go to the park, go to the mall. Even a mall in Staten Island, it's like boring. Well, almost boring. Well, except it's not like the Jersey Gardens Mall at New Jersey. It's a lot bigger than the Staten Island Mall, because I don't know, I just like it. For me, in my opinion, I would say that the Jersey Gardens Mall is better than Staten Island Mall due to that they have a lot of stores to go to, a lot of things to do here that you would like to spend time with your family and with your friends. Alright, so I'll be doing videos here for the next 2 years, and then once I move to another state, I'll be doing new videos where I just moved out to another state and I leave New York for good. Due to that, I don't like New York too much, especially in Staten Island. This is where I live right now, but I am planning to move to another state. I don't know where I want to go. Well, I want to go to another state where it has a lot of things to do, a lot of good places to visit. Like, you don't sit there and just do absolutely nothing, because that's what I do. You know, if I don't have anything to do, or if I'm not hanging out with my friends, or because my parents are working, then that's what I do. Sit there and do nothing, unless I invite my friend to come over to hang out, or we're gonna go outside and hang out with each other, hang out together. Maybe I should do a vlog for the 4th of July. Oh, by the way, tomorrow's 4th of July, so I should do a get ready with me and a vlog. So if you want me to, well, I post vlogs on my main YouTube channel where I recreated it back in February 5th of 2022. Now it's been like for the past 2 years. I recreated this channel due to that my old one where I joined back in 2017 apparently that was December 18th of 2017, but I didn't start posting videos until 2020. Apparently that was back in December 24th of 2020. That was on Christmas Eve. That was on Christmas Eve in 2020 during the COVID breakdown and quarantine. So, if you're wondering if I recreated my main YouTube channel, it says my real name, Nicole Asensio. Do you guys hear the vacuum? Hold on, I'll be back. Alright guys, so before I get into what I'm doing with these fake lashes, like what I'm wearing, if you're new here to my fashion and beauty channel, if you haven't subscribed to my main channel that I previously joined back in 2017 and then I had to recreate again back in 2022 due to that someone just hacked my account for no reason, please go subscribe to my main channel where I post my vlogs, my official music releases, and many more of my videos that I've been posting, alright? And I've been posting my acapella song cover videos as well, so go check it out. I'll put the link in the video description, so go check it out. And if you're wondering what lashes I'm wearing, these are the ones that I just wore once again. And once again, like I mentioned back in 2022, when I first used it in my first video where I use it, that's only for my dance tutorial videos unless there's a change. Like if I had a hard time wearing them, if I didn't like it no more, then I would throw it out and give that a rest and just switch to another fake lashes. So this is the one I'm wearing right now. It's the Gala fake lashes. I'll put the link in the video description. You can go check it out at any time. If not, that's okay. Alright? But I do like wearing these lashes. Yay! Alright, so I'm gonna go with this 379 Fuchsia for Me lipstick from Maybelline. And because I added the orange lipstick, I might have to go with the orange lipstick as well. Mixed with dark pink. You know what? I miss wearing these Gala fake lashes. I just took a break for a year now. Again, for the past 1 year, I haven't posted these videos and haven't worn these Gala fake lashes I have for Christmas 2021, which I did remember. I really missed them. But I will do more of those, alright? And I'm gonna go with this Wet n Wild Cloud Pout lip gloss. This is orange, by the way, if you're wondering. Alright guys, so if you're wondering, I just got up and then all of a sudden my bangs got ruined, so my makeup is done, but I'm gonna redo my bangs and I'll come back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I did the bangs, but sometimes I had a hard time doing it when I blow dried my bangs. Then I wanted to look straight and not messed up, because when I post my first dance tutorial video after 1 year of not posting them, and once again, I've been posting dance tutorial videos since way back in September 2021, if you're wondering, for those who are new here, alright? So, this is the outfit I'm wearing. You guys want to see it? Alright guys, so this is awesome. Hope you guys like it. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll be posting more of my makeup tutorial videos and my dancing tutorial videos as well, so make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so have a happy 4th of July if I don't see you, and make sure to wish me the best of the luck of my new dance choreography tutorial video. Alright, and see you in my next video. Love you guys.